Hi, my name is Anne and I am going to show you in less than 2 minutes how to get started with Ostorlab. I am about to release a new app, Ostorlab, and I want to test it. On the main page, I select New Scan. Enter a name, let's take Ostorlab Scan. I can do it directly from the iOS and Android stores, as you can see. But here, my application is not yet out, so I will upload the APK file. Continue. Submit. And that's it. Scan has been created. I double check in the dashboard. Indeed, I can see it with the progress status queued. A bit later, I get an email telling me that my scan report is ready, with a summary, 5 high vulnerabilities, medium, low and hardening. I access my report. Findings are reported with a risk rating, CVSS, V3 routing and specific tags. Each finding has a description, recommendation, references and a technical detailed solution. Tickets have been automatically created to assist me in fixing vulnerabilities. Information, libraries and dependencies. I have the opportunity to share this page as is, but my main concern now is how to fix this. I need to invite my team to join. How to share my scan with them? Let's find out in our dedicated tutorial. Thank you.